Figma is redefining how teams turn big ideas into real products. Instead of working in isolated tools, designers and developers can now brainstorm, design, and build together in one shared space.
And with Figma Make, you can take something that you've designed in Figma, or you could just prompt yourself to create a coded prototype or a coded site. Now,
Figma allows teams to create scalable design systems with reusable components and brand assets, ensuring everyone stays consistent and aligned. It also makes collaboration effortless by letting organizations share templates for everything from social media posts to full product layouts. One of its most powerful features is Dev Mode, where developers can access and code snippets all in one place, eliminating guesswork and speeding up production. With the addition of its MCP server, Figma even integrates directly into coding workflows, bringing design context into development like never before.
And so where MCP comes in is being able to, you can take that data and bring it over to your code base, and then you can use your agentic coding tools to make sure that it's written the way the rest of the code in your code base is.
This is your tech rundown for the day delivered at full speed.